The next option you have is a public link. So this is similar to the send copy as link, but now you're able to send a link to the document to somebody who doesn't have access to M-Files. So you can share links to documents to whoever you want. We'll take a look at how to do this and what it looks like, but basically you create a public link, it's going to create a read-only version of that document and make it available to people outside in M-Files. Okay? But this ensures that they're always getting the latest version of that document without you sending them updates of the different versions. Okay, so to send a public link, you find the document that you want to create a public link for. You right-click the document and you go to Share Public Link. Okay, this window opens up where you have to select an expiration date and fill in a description of the public link that you're creating. If you don't want this link to expire anytime soon, you can just set the date to the year 2099, put in your description, hit Create Public Link, and then you can copy that link and send it to whoever you need to send it to. Okay, you can manage your links. So if to do that, you go to your username, select the Shared by Me option, and you can see a list of all the different documents that you have a public link for. You can highlight that document, copy the link again, so you can send it off again if you need to, and you can stop sharing these links at any point in time. Okay, the only thing is that you cannot extend the expiration date. So if it is closing or it has closed and you get an email saying they can't access it anymore, you just have to create another link to that document. Okay, so we'll do a demo of this. We'll find a document that we want to share, and we'll create a public link for it and manage it. So look at the management screen, and we'll also take a look at what that link looks like to an external user. So we'll open up TIC. We'll find a document that we want to share. So let's say this site plan, or maybe the color sheet we just converted. We right-click the document, and we go to Share Public Link. Okay, so this is creating a link to that one specific document, no others. So they'll only have access to the document that you're creating the link for. So we set the expiration date. We can either type it in, or we can use the calendar to help figure out as well. Okay, we put in a description. We hit Create Public Link, and we can now copy this link and put it in an email and send it off to whoever you need to send it to. Okay, so if let's say we're the external people, we're the builder that we sent it to. If we click that link, it opens up a web browser where they can download the latest version of that document. Okay, so they download it, they can open it, save it, and they can do whatever they need to do with that document. Okay, and again, they're always going to have access to the latest version of that document. So now if we go and manage our public links, so we go back to M-Files, we go to our username at the top corner and go to the Shared by Me section. We can see the document that we have a public link for. We can highlight it, copy that link, send it off again to whoever needs it. Or we can highlight that document and stop sharing. Okay, so it's going to ask you if you're sure. You hit yes. We'll go back to as that builder. If we go to the website, or we try to access that link again, it now shows that the link is either expired or invalid. Okay, so if it expired, they'd probably send you an email saying they can't access it anymore, and you just create a new link to that document and send it to them again.